Hello everybody, I'm Adrian. Here I got the C7 Corvette. I know it's kind of dirty. It's pollen season, so it's kind of hard to keep it clean right now. I'm going to be changing the differential fluid on this. So I'm gonna get it up in some jack stands. I'll lift it up in all four corners. And this is just like a drain and fill, a plug to drain, and then it's got a fill plug. So should be a pretty easy procedure. So I already got the fluid, 7590. I'll also do the transmission fluid later. So got that fluid as well. And I'll be able to use this one for both of them. It's a fluid transfer pump. So it screws right into the quart bottle. So hopefully with this, I don't make much of a mess, so that'll make things a lot easier. So should be a pretty simple procedure because both of these fluids are just drain and fills. Alrighty, so I got the car raised up, supported by 4 jack stands, so on all 4 corners. Then I got my drain pan, but I went ahead and cut this clear gallon just in case the fluid comes out dirty and I need to inspect it for metal or something. So I want to dump it in here first before letting it all fall down into the drain pan. Fluid should be fine though. So there's our fill plug. So I'm just using a 3/8 ratchet with a short extension. So let's check the fluid level. So fluid level's full. I know we can see a difference in the color right here in the housing, but it's not actually leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen up that drain plug. So got the fluid draining. Looks like a little bit less than 3 quarts. So there's just a little bit of clutch material, but no metal, no chunks, so that's fine. Alrighty, got the drain plug tightened back up, and now I'll open up this pump, and hopefully I can do this without making a mess. So we'll go ahead and stick this in there. Let's see how many pumps this takes. Probably take a while, but at least I can do it without making a mess. So there was 1 quart. Felt like it took 100 pumps. And on to the second one. On this setup, no C51, I put in about 2.5 quarts. So got the car off the lift, got the fluid changed. Now all I need to do is give it a wash later. It is pollen season. So went ahead and double checked the owner's manual, and it does say it'll be about a 1/2 inch away from the top of the fill plug. And throughout the years I have checked the fluid level on this car, and that's about where it's always been. And even before pulling the drain plug to change the fluid, it never lost any fluid throughout its life. So going back with the new fluid, I just went ahead and left the fluid level to where it was originally. And strangely though, if I check a 2014 owner's manual, it says to fill it all the way up to the top of the plug. So who knows, maybe a year later after production they decided to lift the level a little bit lower. So it's probably best to just ask your dealership on what to do on your vehicle. But in my case, I figure it's been like that its whole life, so went ahead and just left it the same. So all I gotta do now is change the transmission fluid, and I'll probably go ahead and change the coolant shortly after. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.